How to fix Snapchat common problems. Hello guys, in this new video I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have in Snapchat easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. When you disable it, go back to the settings, open the apps manager. On this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Search for Snapchat and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to the app informations page. All what you want to do here right now is very simple. Click on Force Stop and then go to the storage. Click on Clear Data and Clear Cache. After that, go back and you have to do one thing. Click on data usage and make sure that all these options are enabled. Don't forget to like, subscribe.